Hey, this video log is typically exclusive to my Patreon supporters for the first few months. But due to positive feedback, I'm sharing it with everyone now. I hope you enjoy this glimpse into the past. For more current content, consider supporting me on Patreon, link in bio. Thank you. Enjoy. Welcome to my January vlog that reviews December. First of all, I'm wishing you all a healthy and happy new year 2024, and I hope you all had a wonderful Christmas time. Secondly, I want to thank you all for your continued support via my Patreon and the overall positive feedback. I can happily say that the pinched nerve is almost healed in full and that I'm able to focus on regular workouts and healthy habits again from early January on. Good news. December has been a calm month in terms of painting and work overall from my side, as the holiday season means that everything calms down for me. Some beautiful winter walks were enjoyed in beautiful German winter wonderland, and when the weather was nasty with rain and mud, we escaped for a quick one-week vacation to a Spanish island called Fuerteventura. Painting wise, not too many things happened in December. I created the dinosaur painting from zero to finish. Here are some work in progress shots that I made enjoy. Painted another canvas with the cow skull, wrapped up miniatures that were sold to private collectors and goodies as donations to charity events and sent them, finished the troll bust, enjoyed that, and really enjoyed preparing and painting Senua. I was able to paint a little bit on another Lucas Pina sculpt and some other projects, but kept it really simple with mainly focusing on enjoying painting instead of covering every step I took with camera, mobile and notes. I really needed to paint a bit without pain of the nerve and stress from covering everything. Here's a quick insight into the big videos I did, the turnaround videos for Senua and the Troll. Enjoy. Beside finishing the Basing Compendium Part 1 ebook for Etsy, I had the plan to finish some video edits for YouTube, but had to learn that I had no energies left and really needed to recharge this December. I was able to work a tiny bit on the next color theory part and a little bit on the 40k gaming table video. I learned for myself that I will not become a YouTuber, not at all. I do like the medium and the joy of creating and editing a video with good content, but I cannot do this on a regular basis. My videos will be finished when they are finished, and I will not run and stress myself for the gods of algorithm. This month's miniature piece from my own collection comes from a good friend of mine from Austria, Robert. Robert used to be one of the most creative miniature painters I know. He did Frutti di Mare with a little bit of help from friends in the past, and after this big project he kind of quit with miniature painting, seeking for new hobbies like Zen gardening or drag queen. Robert stays creative. This bust is lovely painted by him, and the sculpt is a wonderful version of Medusa by Alan Carrasco that is unfortunately not available anymore. Miniature art history in my cabinets. Thank you, Robert, and thank you for watching and being a Patreon in January. Thank you very much.